Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail name. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Gmail, and first of all, I'm going to go to my Gmail profile. Click on the profile icon on the top right, and then we have to go to the Google account setting. Okay, in the setting, we need to go to the personal information, and here we'll be able to change our name. I'm going to tap on name, and I'm going to input my first name and my last name. Wait, just tap on the name. Okay, and then for the first name, I'm just going to change it like this. Wait. Okay, then we can click on save. And after that, we just need to go back to our Gmail and check the result. And I'm going to check it. Okay, as you can see guys, that my Gmail name has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change Gmail name. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.